So peeps, Earl from Yugatech, and today we'll be taking a look at the OPPO Find X8 Pro. The launch of this device has been hyped for a while now, especially since the Find X7 line wasn't released in the Philippine market this year. While we were still able to review the Find X7 Ultra, we're excited to tell you guys that OPPO's latest flagship did not disappoint. We found a good blend between function and form in our time spent with this. Users will be pleased to find that it has a solid design and build, smooth display, and even better cameras. Of course, the Hasselblad-tuned camera system plays a role here. However, OPPO work a lot to keep their personal touches standing out in the other segments as well. If we caught your attention, sit tight as we dive right into what else the OPPO Find X8 Pro offers. Right off the bat, the Find X8 Pro exudes a sleek feel highlighted by its curves and thin aluminum frame. It has a good amount of weight to it at 215 grams yet still feel nice and easy to carry. Plus, it has an IP68 and 69 rating for dust and water resistant. This makes it safe for submersion for up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Our review unit came in black, sporting a glass back panel that adds to the premium quality of the device. The watch face reminiscent camera enclosure with Hasselblad branding can be found at the center, which houses 4 sensors. While this does stand out, I should note that the device's flash is situated on top left too. It's rather subtle, but it's a nice change to see design-wise where most LED flashes are generally placed within enclosures. At the front, we have the phone's display panel. Users will find the selfie shooter at the top in a punch hole with one of 2 loudspeakers situated in a slit above it. They feel just right, not too thick or thin. Not sure about others, but I feel like this certainly plays a small part in enjoying multimedia consumption. Onto buttons and ports, where you can find the power button and volume rocker on the right side. Below the buttons is also a subtle capacitive touch slider that you can use for zooming in on photos. You may also double tap the slider to open up the camera for fleeting moments. This is similar to the camera control function present in the latest iPhones. On the left, we have a neat alert slider as a nod to OnePlus for easier toggling between ringing, vibrate, and silent mode. Up top, we have an IR blaster and the device's microphone. At the bottom, we have the other loudspeaker, a Type-C charging port, and the dual nano SIM tray. All in all, we're quite happy with how the OPPO Find X8 Pro turned out design-wise. It certainly feels premium and OPPO's personal touches were acknowledged. The phone boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a refresh rate that caps at 120 Hz. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 as well. The flat case at the front is surrounded by a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that flows smoothly towards the 3D curved back panel to make for easy and comfortable grips. Safe to say, the design consideration will be appreciated by mobile gamers. Our writer, shoutout to Dwayne, watched YouTube videos, episode of Arcane on Netflix, and game on the device with nothing but good things to say. The screen size feels just right and is complemented by the bezels. Regardless if you're on standard or high, the videos on this device feel smooth. The screen feels immersive whether you're scrolling, watching videos, or even gaming. Users will notice vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crisp details. As a side note, the resolutions can be tinkered with under settings too. You may use it on standard 2376 by 1080 or high 2780 by 1264 at the expense of more power consumption. For biometrics, the device offers an in-display fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. Notably, we found something cool or annoying depending on your preference. Whenever you download an app, it will ask for your fingerprint or PIN for an added layer of security. We found this when we had to swap emails in the Play Store to sync some game data. In our previous review of the Find X7 Ultra last June, we were already very impressed with its camera's assist. OPPO continued to impress on the Find X8 Pro, but instead of the previous LYT900 and LYT600 sensors, they opted for a more low-light focused camera system for this iteration. The OPPO Find X8 Pro sports the Hasselblad-tuned quad-rear camera system led by a Sony LYT808 wide sensors with OIS. This sensor performs well in low light because of the noise reduction algorithms. Next, it has a Sony IMX858 periscope telephoto camera with an aperture of 4.3 and insane zoom capabilities using the AI telescopic zoom. I do have to note though, zooming in too much does come at a cost of stability. There's also another telephoto camera for portraits with an aperture of 2.6 and OIS. Both telephoto cameras have an equivalent 65mm and 135mm, which is perfect for shooting long portraits. While clarity and color accuracy was recognized in our shots, we found that it was really neat when we noticed how well the camera separated the subject from the background. Even the selfies from the 32-megapixel ultra-wide camera felt top-notch. But hey, feel free to share your thoughts about our sample photos in the comment section below. The OPPO Find X8 Pro runs on ColorOS 15 based on Android 15 out of the box. We'll update readers on how long OPPO will be providing operating system support for this device. This includes firmware updates and security patches. Seeing that I've always liked how clean ColorOS was, I wondered what OPPO could even improve on the software front. I have to say though, it looks insanely clean and feels really smooth to work with. Our only gripe with it is that it comes with a handful of bloatware. On the bright side, useful apps like Spotify, TikTok, and Netflix come pre-installed. Notable features include AI-powered programs like AI Studio and the OPPO AI Toolbox. Users will have handy things ready like an AI writer, a reading assistant, an AI speak tool, and an AI summary. It can even summarize a recording should a user need notes from a meeting. While some uses feel a bit niche, it's certainly intuitive towards what a user may need. I guess we just don't like how it only works when the device recognizes a function. In other words, you can pick out the AI writer at will when you need to. Overall, this segment proves to be versatile, customizable, and easy on the eyes. Dedicated ColorOS users can certainly tinker around with this to fit individual needs. Powering this device is a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 that can run up to 3.63 GHz clock speeds. For graphics, it has an Immortalis G925 under the hood. This is the same chipset that powers the new Vivo X200 Pro. It was able to score higher than the ROG Phone 8 Pro in Antutu benchmarks. For reference, our review unit came with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Users may also go under settings to extend memory virtually. For those interested, we'll be flashing the benchmark scores from our OPPO Find X8 Pro here. It can take demanding titles with relative ease. Among these are Genshin Impact, PUBG Mobile, and Asphalt 9. Generally speaking, we're confident that it can handle most if not all apps available. This phone packs a massive 5810 mAh battery with support for 80 watts of wired fast charging via USB Type-C. From our experience, the phone should last you roughly a full day for media consumption, gaming, and general tasks in between. In our PC Mark battery test, our review unit was able to produce 20 hours and 41 minutes of activity. This test uses a handful of mixed variables conducted with 50% brightness, muted volume, and in airplane mode. To put on record, the Find X8 Pro takes the highest score in our PC Mark battery test of all the flagship smartphones we've tested ever. Connectivity options include 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and NFC. Users may also use its IR Blaster as a universal remote for smart home devices as well. Call and network quality worked well with no notable gripes concerning their effectiveness. Wrapping up, I'm sure that the OPPO Find X8 Pro lives up to the hype. OPPO's latest flagship excels under almost every segment in this review. It's one thing for a phone to succeed in one area, but this device took the ball and ran with it. Users are met with a sleek and premium design, smooth display, great cameras, consistent performance, and insane battery life. To top it all off, this smartphone comes with intuitive AI integrations for different tasks too. It might be crazy, but I think that the only thing that I don't like about the device is the bloatware. Then again, it certainly feels like an afterthought, all things considered. OPPO made sure that their personal touches were felt with this device from software to hardware. This was evident with the latest version of the ColorOS, the convenience of the slider buttons, and its other features. The only question left unanswered, at least for now, is how much will the OPPO Find X8 Pro will sell. If we're going to make a guesstimate, it could be in the 50k to 60k range. In any case, once we get the official price, we'll post that in the description and comment section down below. Let us know what you think of OPPO's latest flagship device compared to its predecessor in the comments below. Also, if you find this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and click that bell icon so you'll get notified of future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or X, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!